National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Hennepin County, Northeastern Carver County until 6 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mound, or 18 miles west of Minneapolis, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Plymouth, Prairie, Minnetonka, Edina, St. Louis Park, Shakopee, Savage, Chaska, Chanhassen, Golden Valley, and Hopkins. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is